YouTube channel SoftAcademy. So in this tutorial channel I basically uploads many videos on Oracle different technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL Programming, Oracle Forms and Reports Development, and sessions, and also Unix shell scripting, and also Oracle database architecture and design, and Oracle database administration. Okay, so I have already uploaded many videos. You can just watch out, and whenever you watch, just watch it completely so that you can get the knowledge in detail, and each topic I have described in detail in easy way, so that you can learn easily and with the hands-on practicals. Okay, so you can just watch out. There are many videos on SQL, that is structured query language, PLSQL programming, Oracle PLSQL programming, database concepts, database architecture, database design, and also the Oracle database administration videos are there, and very much important concepts like internal architecture of Oracle database, select statement processing in Oracle, and also the explain plan. This is very important topic for database administration, and also materialized views. So many topics are covered in these videos, and very important topics on PLSQL programming. And whenever you watch this completely from the beginning to the end, so that you can learn the topic well. Okay, and there is also one video for Unix fundamentals and shell programming. And after watching this video, if you need another part of it, I will share the part. I'll make the video of another part, and just comment below after watching my each video. If you watch any video, and if you learn something from my video, and if you like this video, you just comment below and give a like to my video, so that I can also know that you liking my video, and I'll upload next video for you. Okay, so I already started many question and answers videos, starting from difference between procedures and functions from here. Actually, I have a total of 17 years of experiences working with Oracle database various technologies, as I said earlier, and I have held many positions in my earlier companies. I was in my total of 17 years of experiences, I hold many positions like Oracle database developer, to the technical consultant, project lead, technical lead, team lead, and project manager. So this kind of role I have played in different many MNC companies with this working with these technologies. So I have shared all my knowledge and experiences through this tutorial channel, so that you people get to learn from my channel, and who basically want to learn the Oracle technology from the very basic SQL to the PLSQL programming, and other things like database design, database administration, so that they can also learn from my video. And also I provide training of all these technologies, complete Oracle SQL training, complete Oracle PLSQL programming training, Oracle database design and architecture, and Oracle database administration training. So all these trainings I provide through the online interactive sessions. So after watching my videos, and if you like my video, and if you want to know more detail, and if you want to to join in my interactive training courses, you can just contact over me. There are contact details below each video, or you can go to the about page. There is my contact details. So I can show you. This is my contact WhatsApp number, and this is my email ID. You can just WhatsApp me to get more details, or you can write me in this email ID if you really interested to join my online training sessions. so that I can start it at earliest, so that you can learn the complete course in detail and easy way. Okay, so there are some small process have to be completed. I will share this process once you contact me over this number, either WhatsApp or email ID. Okay, so that's all about my channel, and about a short introduction about me. I already told I have 17 years of experiences working with many MNC companies with many roles. I already said, and I'm right now a senior technical consultant as well as a technical trainer and corporate trainer, and also a interviewer. So I had taken many interviews in many MNC companies, and on the end also I have taken the technical training sessions, online training sessions for many MNC companies, their employees, either they are freshers or experienced people. So I have taken the online training sessions, and from my experience of interviewing experience, I have all these videos. I have made all these videos, so you for your benefit, so that you can get what type of questions are arises in the interviews and how you can answer this question well. After watching my video, you will definitely get the complete answer of this total questions of this how you can reply on that question, what are the total what are the actual answer you have to provide, you have to reply on that, on the question interviewer asked. Okay, so just watch all these videos and from the start to the end, and if you like this video, you just give a like. Also comment below the video after watching this video what you feel about the video, and I'll I'll look into the video comment, and if anything you have doubt, you just comment below, so I'll definitely try to solve the doubt, and I'll make the video if you want. Okay, so after that I'll just discuss about today's topic. Today's topic is what is the person type and person row type in Oracle PLSQL. Okay, so in this topic I'll discuss first what is person type and what is person row type in the PLSQL programming. So person type is basically a attribute. Person type and person row type are basically two attributes which are used in Oracle PLSQL programming, and person type basically refer to the same data type of a table column. Okay, so I repeat, person type is referred to the same data type of a specific table column. Okay, so this refer to the same data type of a table column. Okay, so now I'll show you how it is useful, how you can use it in your PLSQL programming. Let's show in the show you all this. I am just going to my SQL prompt. So I am connected with the schema HR, and there is a table, EMP table. So I am just I can just see what is the data here. So here three columns are there, and data are employee number, employee name, and salary. Okay, so if I wanted to know the structure of the table, I can see I can see it by DSC command. So DSC EMP. So I can see that EMP number is number 10, ename is varchar 240 for 4, not 44, and salary is number 10. So these are the data type and the length of the size, the size or length is there. So now I'll write a PLSQL program where I will print or display the employee information. Okay, so here I am writing here declare begin so this is my data. So I am writing declare, so I am taking variable v name, that is of varchar 24. Already I have seen, we have seen in the table. Okay, so now I am starting the program here. Now I will make a select statement, select star, select ename into vename. Okay, from emp, where let's say the employee number is 300, emp no equal to 300. Okay, now I'll make here dbms output dot put underscore line. So here I'll print here emp name ename. Okay, so I'm printing one employee information here. Okay, now I have to make it end. Now I'm running this. So selected employee is Alan, so 300 employee number is for Alan, so it is printing or displaying it successfully. Okay, now let's see, let's say that I can see the structure of the table. Yes, so in future time I may have increase the, I may have I may need to increase the size of the column. Okay, so let's say in future times I want to make the size of this ename column is 6. Okay, so how I can do this? I can do this by alter table command. So alter table emp set modify ename varchar to 6. Okay, so table altered. If I see dscmp, so now its emp ename is varchar to 6, so its length is increased. Okay, now if I run the same program, let's see what let's say let me check what the output is there. We can get what is the output. So this is my program. Okay, so if I run this program, so it is getting it is showing the output clearly, because the 6 I have made it 6. So 6 is greater than 4, so I have chosen the employee of 300 employee number, and his name is Alan, so it is 4 characters, so it is running successfully, right? So if I make it as let's say I want to print one okay, okay, let's we have to insert one record here to see that. So my record is, let's start from EMP. So I have modified my column name DSC EMP. Yes, 6. I have modified it 6, so I can insert a value with name of 6 character length. Okay, so insert into EMP values. So I can see I can see till 400 is there EMPNO, so I am writing here 500, and I am making I am inserting the name of the employee is Albert, which is exactly 6 character length, ALBERT 6 character, and his salary is 40,000. okay, 40,000. okay, now if I insert this, it is inserted well. Okay, so I make a commit. So now I can see the record. Yes, now I already run this program successfully, right, before inserting this new record. Okay, now let's see if I want to run this program again, what will be the my output. Okay, if I get the successful output or not. So here I am want to print want to display the Albert record for Albert. Okay, so I am making it 500. So now I want to make it I want to display the record of Albert. Okay, so here I EMP number is 500 I have given here. So now let's see my program is running or not successfully. Yes, what is this is an error occurred. Okay, right. So what is the error? A numeric or value error, character string buffer too small. What this error is for? The error is for at line 4. Okay, so if you see in my okay, just I can show the program. Yeah, so I have declared a variable which is of varchar 4, which is the oldest older size for employee name. Okay, so right now I have changed the employee name as 6 character, but here when I am displaying the value displaying the employee name of 500 for which the employee number is 500, his name is Albert. Okay, so it is greater than 6 it is greater than 4 characters, so that's why this error is coming here. So if I make the changes of data type of the table structure, so accordingly I need to change here the data type size. Okay, the size of the data type. So I need to change here, since I have changed the data type of EMP name in the table as 6 character length. So to run it successfully, the previous program, I have to make changes of this data type of 6 character. Okay, or more than that, at least 6. Okay, so that my program not fail. Okay, let's see. Now see the program is running successfully and it is saying EMP selected Albert. So there is the program running successfully. Okay, so each time whenever that's the reason, each time whenever I modify any table column, I need to modify my PLSQL code also. So let's there are many PLSQL program, maybe one in one application where many columns are used. Okay, but if suddenly one table column has been changed, or table column length has been changed, we have to modify each of the PLSQL program according to the table column length. Okay, according to the table column length. So to overcome this issue, or to resolve this issue, we will use percent type attribute. Okay, so percent type attribute is actually resolve this issue. How it resolve this issue, I am showing now. So let's say I am so my table structure is select star from emp. So my table structure is now emp. My data ename size of ename is 6 character long. Okay, let's say I'll increase it by 8 character. Okay, so I'll make here modify again alter table emp modify ename, that is of varchar to, let's say 8. Okay, so table is altered. Now if I run this program, it will fail, as we have already seen just before, right? Because it is on varchar to 6, so it will, the memory variable I declare it is, it can take maximum of 6 character. Okay, but here table values are if some ename values are greater than 6, I yet not inserted, but if some name or employee name which holds the value near to 8 characters or more, 8 characters or more than 6 characters, this program will fail. Okay, so to overcome this, I have to use percent type attribute. So percent type attribute refer to the similar data type of the specific table column. So to use this, what I'll do is I can just write this program like this. So I have to refer the same data type of the specific employee table of the specific column. Okay, so I am writing here emp my table, and the column name is ename and percent type. So by this declaration, the percent type attribute, this is the attribute, and by this declaration it referred to the same data type as the employee table has emp name column. Okay, the emp name column, whatever the data type and length, it refers to the same data type with the length. So this is the use of percent type attribute. Now if I run this query, let's say I'll insert this, I'll insert a, now okay, now what I'll do is I'll insert a employee name whose length is around 8. Okay, so insert into emp values 600 employee number, and name is Michael. Okay, and salary is 35,000. So my table structure is modified or not? Let me see. Yes, it is modified, so that it is in this record has been inserted. Okay, so I am committing this. So now select star from EMP. Now see, Michael has 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 characters. So I have modified ename as 8 character length, so it is inserted. Now regarding this, I have to now execute this program. This program should execute successfully right now, because I am not referring the actual size, I am referring the table, specific table, which are the size of the specific column, right? So it will be referred to the same length or type of the specific column of the EMP table. I am not mentioning any particular fixed length character string. Okay, so now see, it will not fail, definitely it will give the output 600. So I am giving here 600. So now I'll execute this. There is some, yes, one. Now I have to delete it, one. Okay, see, this is giving output without any issue. Okay, so that is that's why it is recommended that whenever you are writing any PLSQL program, just use this syntax without using the actual data type, because in future, if your table column has been increased, if your table column length has been increased, or it will your PLSQL program has to be modified according to the table data type and size. So that's why if you refer this column with the person type attribute, you need not required to modify any PLSQL program after modifying your table structure or length of the column. Okay, so I think you have better you have understand it very well, why this person type attribute, what is the person type attribute, and why it is very much useful to use in the PLSQL program, right? So now I'll go for percent type. Okay, so second one is percent row type. Yes, so percent row type basically refer to the complete row of a table. Okay, as percent type refer to the particular column of a table, and the percent type refer to the complete row structure of a table. Okay, so I am writing here percent type, percent row type. This refer to the complete record of a table. Okay, so a record has multiple columns, so all the elements will be all the elements can be held in this type of attribute. Okay, so let's see with an example. So now what I'll do is I want to display all the record for the employee number 600. So what I will do is v ename v this is the I want to see the complete record, so I am taking the variable as vrec for record. This will be emp percent table name percent row type. Okay, so it will refer the complete records to the emp table. Okay, as the emp table. So this variable will hold the complete record structure of the emp record, complete emp record with many columns. Okay, multiple columns. So now select star. I'll use here star because we are taking all the columns. So into vrec, my variable from emp, where emp no equal to 600. Okay, now dbms output dot put line emp selected. So I not need to print this, so I'll print vrec. Okay, let's see what is my output. So I have taken a variable with the row type variable. This is that refers to the complete record structure of emp table, and I'm taking all the column set all as a row type variable in vrec. Okay, so select star into in star I am taking all the columns into vrec, and vrec is the combination of all the columns, and it's a record type variable from emp, and where emp number is 600. Now I am displaying the complete record. I should have the I should get the display of complete record of employee number 600. Okay, so let's see what is the output. But I can refer it one by one, like empno. Yes, if I want to display particular field in particular different line, so I can just refer like this: ename and salary. I am just referring the vrec and the actual column name of the table. Okay, so I think sal is the column name in my table. So let's execute it. So yes, I am getting completely full record for employee number 600, and name is Michael, and salary is 35,000. Okay, so this is the use of row type variable, right? So hope you have understood what is row type variable and how you can use it. So that's all for this tutorial session. Hope you have learned about the topic in detail, and with the practical I shown you how you can use this in your PLSQL programming. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial session. And friends, after watching this tutorial, if you learn something, or if you if this video is added value to your learning, just give a like and subscribe my channel hitting the bell icon, so that on the next video you will get the notification. And also share it with your friends and colleagues through the various medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and also WhatsApp group, so that your friends also can be learned from my video, and also they can make their skill. Okay, because Oracle is a very demanded skill, and I am giving all this tutorial for free for your learning. hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned well in from my video. Just comment below if you like this video, if you learned something from my video, and if my video is added value to your learning. Okay, and just subscribe my channel hitting the notification bell, and also share it with your friends and colleagues with different media, as I said. And if you wanted to join my online training session on different courses, as I already said, just contact me in this number or email ID, so that you can start your course very soon after some easy process. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial, and bye.